Side. I don't see anything right now. Medical's clear. Hey, you want to hold up in there? Because there's just, you see them at the end of the alley, you tap all the rubber and shit. They're all hanging there. They're kind of distracted. They're either moving through the warehouse itself, or they're coming from the other side by the cooling tower outside. Here, why don't you come with me for a second if there's anybody. I don't see anybody either.
Razor, can you cover me?
Never mind, I got one.
There's two. You see that little hut just to the south of you on the wall side? There's two over there. One sniper and one submachine gunner.
I got you. I got eyes on. Why don't you come rally up with me?
Razor's moving up to you right now.
What are you doing?
Thug life.
What are you doing? Supporting?
Thug life.
Does anybody have any contact? Yes, this is dude. I got contact in the alleyway. And I also have contact in the alleyway. I have two tangles in the alleyway just south of Medical at the little hut area. Up with us. 10-4, I'm at the rubber pit. Do you want me to move up? Do you want me to send anyone else up with you? You move up with us, you got grenades. 10-4, Matt. I'm going to approach from the southwest side. Anybody have eyes on the right side of Medical? Yeah, I have one over there. I have Chris over there. Over. Badger. Sniper team is in position.
I'm just filming. Ref coming in, ref coming in.
Okay, guys, we have like 1 or 2 enemies in the building by, I don't know where it's at. It's kind of by the big, open field.
Roger that. There's 2 buildings, which one?
One by the big open field over here.
Give me a count on those railroad tracks. What do you got?
No man's land.
Sniper team, you guys got anyone on track side over?